My name is Adebusola and you're watching Miss Nigeria TV. This is the story of how I started Grapes Pattern Bank. I started off in Covenant University. I've always loved fashion anyway. My parents wanted me to study, get a real education. So I went to Covenant University and I studied Human Resource Management. Then after Covenant, I went on to UK, to Leeds College of Art to study fashion and textiles. But then the funny thing is, when I got to Leeds College of Art, I ended up studying graphic design for some months. I don't know why I did that. I did. Then after 6 months, yes, I went to meet my head of department. I'm like, I think I want to do fashion now because I don't know why I didn't choose it at first. So they just take you through the whole process of fashion. They teach you fashion design, surface pattern design. They teach you pattern cutting, pattern making, pattern drafting, fashion buying, fashion marketing. It was so much, Lord. But anyway, so one day in class we had surface pattern design that week, and then they gave us a brief. And then I did my prints, and then the head of department came, just walking around randomly, and then she saw my prints, and then she was like, I hope you're going to major in fashion, surface pattern design. And I was like, huh? I had surface pattern design, but I was like, what? So I did my research and then I realized, oh, this is what surface pattern design is. So that day, that same day, during break, I was in class and then she brought like a lot of people to come and look at my print, and I was like, ooh, wow. And they're all like, oh, beautiful, beautiful, this is, wow. Okay, I think that's an American accent. I'm supposed to do a British accent, yeah. So anyway, she was just like, oh, beautiful. And I was like, oh, wow, people really love this. Even like all my mates were like, oh, I love it. So I decided, okay, this is the path I'm going to follow since everybody loves it and I'm good at it. And then the funny thing is, I then realized why I did graphic design. Because in graphic design I learned Photoshop and Illustrator and so many other things. Then that helped with my prints anyway. So I started going to, for my briefs, I started doing things related to surface pattern design. So I started doing screen printing, lino cuts, dyeing, and then digital printing and all. So what is surface pattern design? Surface pattern design is basically making prints or patterns for anything that has a surface. So it could be a car, it could be a dress, it could be a stool, it could be ceramics, it could be interior, it could be bags, it could be wall, curtain, rugs, towels, anything. As long as it has a surface, I think it should have a pattern. So that's what surface pattern design is. This is actually the first print I ever made. It wasn't even a brief, I was just bored in class one day and then I started drawing butterflies. And then I used like the orange highlighter to highlight my butterflies. I started using like Biro, blue pen, as you can see, to like fill up the spaces. And so I made this into a print. I sent it up to the print department, and then they printed it out for me in this fabric. So yeah. Social media basically has been a very big help. Like most people contact me through Instagram. So I have my number and my email and my website's linked there. So I have lots of people calling me from Instagram. And then I had a launch November 12, 2017. And then quite a number of people came. So most people from there. And then lots of referrals. And then right now, at the moment, to be honest, where my business is at the point where a lot of people are just calling to find out, what do you do? I'm interested. What's your price? Just basically trying to find out what I do and how I can help them. So follow me on Instagram at Grapes Pattern Bank. My website is www.grapespatternbank.com. You want to check it out. I know you want to check it out. I have ready-made prints on the website. So you can just shop, browse through, pick anyone you want. I mean, those ones are way cheaper than getting like proper customized print where we have to sit down one-on-one. For the ready-made print, you have to pay an extra fee for exclusivity. But then if someone has purchased that print before, you can't get, won't be exclusive to you. But then if you want like something more, a print that is more specific, like you have colors you want to use, then just be what's it called. We have a customized print section bit on our website. So we sit down one on one and then you tell us what you want, how you want it, what fabric you want to print it on. We have a fabric sample booklet that you can choose. We have a range of cottons, silks, polyester. So it's good business. It's good talk. But at the end of the day, my joy for me is mostly not about money, to be honest. Is my joy would be like seeing a brand with my print, like them having a collection and then it's my print. That's no, you can't buy that. That's that's the biggest joy for me. Like I don't think I'll be able to sleep that night or ever again in my life. I'm telling you, like just saying, oh, Lisa Falawia's collection, and then it's my print. For God, it is my print. Lord, let's take a minute. Just 1 minute. I honestly don't know. Like, Lord, drinks for everyone, please. Like, that's just my joy, to be honest. And then I love what I do. Like, every day, there's always one challenge, and I'm always like, "Ugh, I don't think I can do it." Like, just yesterday, I was like, I think I should close this place down because, like, yesterday was a crappy day, to be honest. But I'm like, if I close, where do I get my joy from if I close this place down? Like, this is what I was sent here to do. Like, that is my purpose in life. So, to go into this business or any business, like, you need to have passion. Like, forget the money aspect and all of those things and everything. Like, if you don't have passion, like, forget it. Like, that's the only thing that keeps you going. It keeps me going.